Prior to servicing your system, you always want to ensure that the system is powered down and you depressurize the system. All the gauges have to show zero pressure. Once it's been fully powered down and depressurized, then you can begin your service. So what you want to do when you receive your float switch, unpackage it, and first thing you want to do is cut the end connector off. For your application, it's not needed. So that's going to be one. And then you want to strip the shielding back to expose the two wires, the black and the white wire. Be careful not to pierce the secondary shielding. Strip it back about 3 inches or so. Till you get to the black and the white wire. These will be the two connectors or two connecting wires that you use for your pressure switch installation. You want to strip the shielding back about 1/4 inch. After you strip back the wires about 1/4 inch on each one, what you want to do is use a blue spade on either of the wires. Either one is no problem. And crimp that on, make sure it's on there nice and snug. When you're ready to install and connect your float switch, you want to remove the cover off of your tank pressure switch. And you want to disconnect the red cable off of the top of the switch. The next step would be to remove the rubber boot gasket that comes with the switch. And you want to poke just a little hole in it because this is where you're going to feed your cable through. Then feed the cable through the gasket and loop it through the switch and then reinstall the gasket back in place. This creates a nice little watertight seal. The next step is cutting off the connector on the red cable and stripping back the shielding. Expose about 1/4 inch or so. And then you want to twist that together with the white cable on your float switch. And you can use a butt connector or a regular twist connector to join the white and the red cable together. And then you want to take the black cable where you installed your spade and connect that into the top of your pressure switch. And now you've got a high pressure switch and your float switch wired up in series, so you've got two levels of protection in one.
Okay. Yep. Okay.
Ta-da!
Good to go.